How do you capture important Salesforce data if you're in the field and have no internet connectivity? Many of the world's largest organizations are asking this question and don't have an answer. Thankfully, there's Youreka, a Salesforce native application that lets you capture Salesforce data, any data, both on and offline. Here's how it works. In this example, Whitney, a field sales rep from a coffee company called Arabica Coffee, is visiting one of her retail locations. As a part of her audit, she will gather new account information, update inventory, check compliance, and identify growth opportunities at the store level, all while offline. Those are a lot of tasks to perform, let alone keep track of inside of Salesforce. But Youreka makes it easy. Here's how. We'll begin by viewing the Monroe Markets account page layout in Salesforce, one of Arabica Coffee's key retail accounts. We have details about Monroe Markets, including the account type, contact information, and even an account plan summary showing Arabica's quarterly goals for this account. If we scroll down, we see a related product list that houses all of the products we currently sell in Monroe Market stores, including each product's price, store quantity, and most recent stock date. We'll now build a form template that links to these fields on the account, and most importantly, to the custom products object so that Whitney can update information directly from the store on her offline tablet. With Youreka's drag and drop template builder, anyone can build a form template in just minutes. Simply drag and drop questions and easily click to configure field links to any object. First, we'll link 3 fields to our account object and select only the account name, phone number, and account plan summary. These fields will pre-populate with Monroe Markets account details when the rep launches the form. Next, we'll quickly add a linked section which allows us to update the related list of Arabica Coffee products. With this section, we'll be able to edit existing records and add new inventory based on what's in store. The rep will also know exactly which coffee is already stocked by pulling from the Monroe Markets related list. Finally, we'll leverage a variety of question types to help guide the sales portion of Whitney's visit. And we'll use branching logic to uncover opportunities for growth. With up to 18 different question types available, we can collect data in a variety of formats. For this template, we'll select a checkbox list, a photo question type to take pictures of the aisle, a date and time stamp, and even include an e-signature. Like field links, branching logic is actually click configurable, allowing you to show and hide the right questions at the right time based on the data Whitney captures in Youreka. So now that the template is complete, we're ready to take it offline. We'll first save and publish our template where it will automatically be available on the offline Youreka mobile app. Whitney will start her morning by preloading the form with Monroe Markets account data, saving it, and then heading out into the field. When Whitney arrives at the store, she realizes she has no internet or data connection whatsoever. Not a problem. She simply opens the Youreka app offline and begins her audit. She quickly confirms the contact information with the store manager and updates the account phone number, and takes note of the company goals in the account plan summary. Next, she confirms the 2 existing products in store and updates the house blend. She notices a new product on the shelves and adds a new linked section to capture its details. This will automatically insert the new espresso bean product into the related list on the account page so that the inventory is up to date. Finally, the rep completes the coffee aisle audit, taking note of competitor brands on the surrounding shelves. After indicating that a luxury brand of coffee is nearby, the rep is reminded that Arabica's contract with Monroe Markets prohibits this placement, and as a result, Youreka promptly offers details to take corrective action. Whitney then searches for any available display real estate in the store so that Arabica's trade promotion team can prep the correct installations. She also takes a photo of the aisle, marking up any areas worth noting from right within the app. These photos will then be accessible as Salesforce files after she saves the form. Last but not least, she records the date and time of her visit, as well as a signature to confirm the accuracy of the retail audit. Now that the audit is complete, Whitney will save her form locally until she regains internet connectivity and is ready to sync to Salesforce. All forms created offline are outlined in orange to notify the user of unsynced data. After reconnecting to Wi-Fi, the app immediately prompts the user to sync new data to Salesforce before moving forward. Youreka has automatically updated the new account phone number, as we can see in the phone number field. Whitney has also captured the new espresso bean product in Youreka, as well as updated some information about the house blend. Both of these updates now appear in the Products Related list. And what about the rest of the data? As you can see, the form we created is now available directly on the account. If we click on the form, we can see all other data that was captured, including the photo we took of the aisle, the updates made to the account, and any other information we collected from the store, like the compliance details worth following up on, as well as any display real estate available. Most importantly, everything we see captured here is reportable in Salesforce. Arabica Coffee can use this data to create robust reports to help make better decisions and provide meaningful value to the rest of the organization. With Youreka, Whitney was able to capture all her critical Salesforce data, updating both standard and custom objects, and use that data in real time to identify new sales opportunities. And she didn't have to go through the hassle of manually entering data into Salesforce after her visit, because Youreka automatically synced all her data when she reconnected to the internet. Youreka's offline capabilities let you capture any Salesforce data, anytime, any place. Now it's time for Youreka to work for your field team.